Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you this Crompton Greaves Transair 12 inches exhaust fan 300 mm. I got this for 150 rupees. This is not working, the winding is burnt, and I'll show you the picture of the burnt winding. As you can see, two poles are burnt. And now let's see the pictures of the fan. Before I purchased it, it was in the Sunday market. The fan's blades were reversed, the upper cap, and now the main motor, the upper cap was missing when I saw it. And one more nearby picture.
So guys, after a long wait of 2 months, the transfer which I gave for rewinding, it came back, costed 200 for this one because this is a newer one and this cost less, the coil turns are less. Now it is missing a capacitor inside and some wires, so I will open it and add it and show you. So guys, I made the connection. This is the primary winding, secondary winding, common. Let's close the cover. So guys, I have put all the 4 bolts and the cover screws. Here the label. It is some reason this is removable, so I removed it for so that no one steals this. If the rewinding guy does, my guy doesn't fix this. So guys, this is the original frame. I had actually installed it, but I removed it again. I removed it because there is another transfer I put in its place that I procured from the Sunday market. It's over there. Not attaining full speed, maybe because of the bent blades, bad bearings, so I'm going to replace this. This was bought unexpectedly. The plan was to actually fix that if it comes from rewinding in a week, but it took a large time. So let me show you that exhaust fan switched off. You can clearly see the bent blades. The capacitor was bad, so it wasn't attaining speed. I replaced it. Now let's assemble that. So guys, it's assembled now. Camera trick. So guys, the transfer is completely installed after it came from rewinding. So let me switch it on. So guys, as you can see, it's actually 2 times powerful than what it was before rewinding. I've never seen this before rewinding. I bought this burnt, put some money into rewinding, and now I have a perfectly working transfer. Let me show you the outside view. It's actually really good. So guys, this is the transfer from the outside. The grill is original, even the sticker. Yeah, the blades are a little bent. So let me switch it on. Let's see how much the bearings last, so we have to switch it off. The bearings are a bit noisy. The RPM is actually double than what it was. Yep, I didn't put the quarter pin. I have to purchase a set of quarter pins for this. The frame is starting to rust because previously it was used in the bathroom. We'll do restoration for this. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video coming really soon.